it all boiled down to institutions. I-Pirates versus Arrows as institutions. Ubukuwato ne-technical team emsarroundile, ubukumanqoba mnqithi ne-technical team emsarroundile, and the kind of players that they have. Both talented players, but on the other hand, could experience loads of experiences. And the class is permanent. The class is permanent. And that was showed by Urele Mangabengena. Liapasa vile ayikha nje wayikhela uMbuthuma wamdelivela yona ngetray. So class is permanent. So nje into engayisho ngaleya game, after everything that happened, it boiled down to institutions omabili, i-Pirates as an institution versus the Arrows and the institution. Then the second point mase kuba coach uAbdeslam Wadon, the technical team yakhe versus uManqoba